Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I'm bringing you some amazing drugstore skincare dupes. With the cost of everything going up, and up at the moment, I'm on a mission here on Mad About Skin to prove that when it comes to your skincare routine, you don't need to break the bank to get some wonderful outcomes. I've chosen 6 of the most expensive, luxury and bougie skincare items on the market and scoured for some fantastic alternatives. These wonderful dupes will provide you the same amazing outcomes in your skincare routine, but at a fraction of the cost, saving you some of your hard-earned coin. So sit back, relax, let's start some epic drugstore skincare dupes. Now before we get into this video, I would love to know any products that you would love an affordable and drugstore dupe for. I want this to be part of a series that I'm running here on the channel, and I'm going to link a playlist up there that's captured some of my other dupes content in case you've missed out on any of them. Like I say, I'm kind of a man on a mission in 2022 to get the message out there and prove that when it comes to skincare, the drugstore is where it's at, and some of these have honestly become cult holy grail favourites in my own routine. Sound off in the comments section below with any favourite dupes that you have, or any products that you're struggling to let go of but you'd like a cheaper alternative. If you want to support me in getting that message out there loud and clear, then by reach down and give this video a big thumbs up and a like. The more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So it's just a fantastic way of letting the whole world know that drugstore doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. These products are genuinely fantastic. But with all that being said, shall we cut the waffle and just delve straight on in? And I want to start with the Liz Earle Hot Cloth Cleanser, a cult favourite for so many people out there. And whilst admittedly this isn't the most expensive skincare item many of us have reached for, I have noticed the price of this product creeping up and up recently. I used to be able to buy this for like £8 or £9 a couple of years ago, but when I recently bought it, it was 15. And that inflationary price creep is the main reason that I've started to look around for an alternative to this fabulous cleanser. This works really well because it doesn't strip and dry the skin. That muslin cloth kind of gives an element of manual exfoliation to bring some brightness and luminosity to the complexion, and I definitely like how effective this works as a cleanser. But you don't need to reach for Liz Earle prices. There's some great dupes, and one of my favourites is this. This is the Naturally Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Cleanser, available at Superdrug here in the UK or online internationally. I love this product. First of all, let's talk the price point. £3.99. Literally doesn't get cheaper than that. And I actually think the muslin cloth in this is of a higher quality than the one that you'll get with Liz Earle. It washes that a little bit better. I find it lasts longer. And this is creamy. It's buttery. It melts everything off. Even multiple layers of water resistant SPF gone like that when you reach for this product. It's got some mulberry extract, some kiwi extract for some antioxidant benefit. It's got some shea butter in here. It just nourishes, it cleanses, it melts everything away. And I think the cloth that you get with this is one of the highest quality that I've seen on the market. For literally less than £4, you can get a like-for-like dupe for that Liz Earle product, and honestly, your skin won't even notice the difference. Now, this product isn't going to be that easy to get your hands on, particularly in North America, but don't worry, because I've got a really accessible product that works just as well, and that's the Q&A Skincare Oat Milk Cleanser. So good. It's kind of called a milk, but it's more of a balm. It's like a cream balm texture, if that makes sense. So good. You put this on the skin and it melts like butter. Very similar feeling and texture to the Liz Earle product, and I'd say it cleanses just as well. The only drawback to this product is it doesn't come with the muslin cloth, so you have to buy one. But you know what? You can get them at like CVS for £1. You can buy them online for like 90 cents. So you don't need to break the bank to reach for one, and they'll wash really well, so you get multiple uses from them. If you buy your own muslin cloth and combine it with the Q&A Oat Cleanser, this will be sheer perfection. This works really well on multiple layers of waterproof makeup and SPF, and it just leaves the skin feeling beautifully cleansed but not stripped and dried. Again, a fraction of the cost of the Liz Earle product, and you get slightly more product in here, so it lasts that little bit longer. Both of these are wonderful and game-changing dupes for the Liz Earle Hot Cloth Cleanser if you're looking to kind of cut some of the price out of your skincare routine without compromising on the quality. Now shall we move on to the La Mer hand treatment. Now honestly, I'd normally just skim right past this, because I have no time in my day or in my life for overpriced hand creams. The only reason I'm bringing this up is for some reason the beauty editors have got their hands on this product and are singing its praises like it's the best hand cream that ever existed. Obviously we don't know what sponsorship or what relationship exists between these editors and La Mer itself that's driving this, but I'm here to tell you it's not that amazing. It's pretty much a standard hand cream that you can get the benefits of at the drugstore. Now, La Mer are good at their marketing, so this is just, I mean, you read the blurb for this product and it claims to literally rock your world and change your entire existence. It's a hand cream. It says it was a serendipitous discovery which uses decoupled water alongside oils and other botanical extracts to deeply nourish the hand. what a load of old rot. It's basically like 9 different oils blended with some humectants. It's got some calming and soothing ingredients in there. Really great ingredient profile, but nothing that you need to pay £90 for. One of my favourite hand creams at the moment that works just as well as this, albeit with slightly different ingredients, is this. This is Marks & Spencer's Hand Balm, almond, milk and vanilla. So good. Not only does this smell absolutely otherworldly divine, it's like a rich like vanilla oat. It just smells so good, but it's also deeply nourishing. It hydrates your hands to the gods, and this costs £1.50. So compare and contrast that with your £90 worth of La Mer, and I think you're probably going to go for this one. Super accessible here in the UK and Europe, but definitely one of my favourite hand creams if you're looking to, pull something out of your purse that looks bougie, looks extra. There's no way that people will think this is £1.50, and you can impress all your girlfriends at lunch by whipping this out and looking like you're super bougie without actually having to spend too much money. Now, if you want a product that's available internationally, I'm going to do a totally shameless plug for this product, which is my own moisturiser, the Mad About Skin Maximum Impact Moisturiser. Now, I'm not all about promoting my own brand here on this channel. As you'll see time and time again, I like to recommend all of my favourites, many of which are mentioned in today's video. But I think when a product that I created can act as a like-for-like dupe for something super bougie and luxury like La Mer, I'm always going to call it out. This actually has a very similar ingredient profile. You've got botanicals to hydrate, calm and soothe. You've got humectants to draw in and retain moisture in the hands. You've also got a blend of beautiful oils which are going to deeply nourish and soften the skin. Why I think this is actually better than the La Mer is A, you're not paying that ridiculous price point. This is £10 versus 90. It's also that convenient size that you can pop in your purse. But it's also fragrance free, so you're not going to risk sensitizing the hands with the overloaded fragrance that you get in that La Mer product. And it contains urea, which is a fantastic protein softener. So if your hands are dry and rough at the same time, that urea will hydrate and soften. So over time, your hands will be baby smooth, hydrated to the gods, and you don't need to be reaching out for a serendipitous discovery priced at £90 when you can just buy something super affordable like this. I've left links to this product alongside all of the others mentioned in today's video in the description box below, and if you want to get your hands on this with an additional extra saving, then use the code on the screen to get 15% off. Like, who doesn't want to save some of their hard-earned coin? And I just want to prove to the world, you don't need to buy La Mer, you can get the same experience, the great outcomes at a fraction of the cost. Now let's come on to a newer launch in the skincare world, and that is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. That is a mouthful and a tongue twister at the same time, which is one of the main reasons I don't like this product. But aside from how difficult it is to pronounce, this is actually a relatively expensive product that I don't think really offers anything in terms of the ingredients above what you can get at the drugstore. It's for this reason that I probably say, park the Glow Recipe Plum Plump product and reach for the Revolution Skincare Miracle Cream. This gorgeous. I'm actually becoming a full convert to Revolution Skincare. Originally, I thought they were a bit of a copycat brand of The Ordinary. I wasn't really inspired by anything they offered, but their recent launches have been game-changingly good. And this Miracle Cream, so amazing. It's also a fantastic dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Miracle Cream as well, because they've got a very similar ingredient profile. So in here, you've got a low concentration of niacinamide, which studies have shown will give you maximum benefits with minimum risk of irritation. So that's a tick in the box to start with. You've got some vitamin C to brighten, bring back the luminosity to the skin. You've got some great butters to hydrate and nourish. And this is all topped off with some vitamin E, which is a fantastic antioxidant, alongside a humectant and one of the great nourishers that our skin craves. This way better in terms of performance and price point than that Glow Recipe product. So if you're tempted, don't be. Pop the Revolution Skincare Miracle Cream on and I promise you'll never look back. That product is like £10, but if you want to take it even more affordable, then you can reach for this. This is the Naturally Radiant Glow Cream. This is the same brand as that Hot Cloth Cleanser that I referenced earlier. I kind of bought so much from this line and loved pretty much all of it. This is amazing. I actually think this is a better product than the Plum Plump one by Glow Recipe for a number of reasons. First up, it's got fewer fragrant components to it, so if you have sensitive skin, this is just going to work better for you. It's got fatty alcohols, it's got humectants in here which are going to draw in and retain moisture in the skin. It's got some occlusives to prevent transepidermal water loss, fruit extracts to lightly and gently brighten and glow up the complexion, and it's also got some ferments in here which are going to just protect the microbiome of the skin and actually improve skin health overall. This cost £2. Let that sink in. You can get all that amazing benefit for £2, and I think this will be game changing if you want to try it for your skincare routine. Finally, let's come on to the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting BHA 2% Liquid Exfoliant. An oldie, but a goodie, and one that you see so many dupes for. I've already kind of duped this product in the past. I'll find that video and link it below. But if you're looking for a game-changing salicylic acid that's going to clarify the pores, remove any blackheads and congestion, and also do so in a gentle way that doesn't increase redness, sensitivity, and irritation, then ditch the Paula's Choice and reach for the Face Theory Saliatica 2% Toner. Now, this combines salicylic acid in a 2% concentration, same as the Paula's Choice one. But it does so at a fraction of the cost. This is around half the price of Paula's Choice, and you get a 0.5% concentration of lactic acid to gently smooth out the skin, but also retain and draw in moisture because lactic acid is a humectant. Finally, to cap it all off, it's got a really meaningful concentration of Centella asiatica, which everyone loves for its ability to hydrate, calm, soothe, and reduce inflammation. This, a true holy grail, and honestly, since I discovered this, I don't think I'll be giving Paula's Choice a second look. If you want to know why I'm a full fangirl of Centella asiatica, I covered it in a recent video, which I'll link up there. That actually featured this product so you can understand it in more detail. But I think Face Theory have knocked it out the park with this salicylic acid toner, and if you've got sensitive skin that's a little bit inflamed but wants something to remove those blackheads and that congestion, this is the one that I would recommend. So, there you have it, guys, a rundown of 4 bougie, luxury and high-priced skincare products and some fantastic dupes that are available at the drugstore. Hopefully there's a little something for everyone, no matter what your skin type, your price point, or where in the world you live. So fill your boots, and remember, you don't need to spend more in order to get more when it comes to skincare, and hopefully this video has proved that. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye!